Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your new 2017 Toyota Camry Hybrid XLE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a sophisticated Blizzard Pearl color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. With your XLE upgrade, you get your Qi wireless charging station, as well as your smart key system and navigation for the total convenience package. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your hybrid is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the trunk release and the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors now. I'm going to put the keys into my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it'll unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a very sophisticated interior. Below, you can see you have your illuminated entry. You also do have that contrasting stitching as a motif all throughout your Camry. Below here, you have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here, you have your safety features like your pre-collision system, as well as your lane departure alert, your blind spot monitor, and your traction control. Your Camry comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats, as well as your power adjustable driver's seat to ensure you're nice and comfortable driving your Camry off our lot. And here again, we're seeing that contrasting stitching and that sporty center detailing on your leather seats all throughout. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Camry with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake there and you hit that push start button. Because it is a hybrid, the battery starts up first and then your engine will start up shortly after. Check out that sporty dashboard. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can set your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert, setting the steering assist as well as the sensitivity, and you also do have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set from your dashboard as well. Check out that leather wrapped steering wheel, tying all of that sporty style together. You also do have your mode changers, your volume control, and on the side here, there's that dynamic radar cruise control again. There's that voice command and your hands-free calling. Below, you can set your cruise control, and taking a look at your LCD screen, it's a nice and big screen, very easy to read. Right now it's open to your audio system, so you have your AM FM radio as well as your CD player on top. You have your USB auxiliary input plus your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go, and of course your Sirius XM radio. So you're all set for that summer road trip. Opening up your applications now, your Camry Hybrid XLE does come equipped with a navigation system. It's very easy to use, so come on in, punch in your home address and see how it works for you. Now, shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen, which is a great feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe on top of your Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems. Below here, you can see that you have your dual zone climate control, a convenient feature to have to set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger. You have your electronically controlled automatic climate control, plus you can sync it, and that air conditioning, which is a must on these Alberta summers. Down here, you do have your Qi wireless charging station, so you simply turn it on there, and the charging pad, you place your phone on top and it will charge for you. You also do have your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary input in case you need to plug any media in, and it stores away nicely with that cover to keep everything nice and tidy. Over here, you can see that you have that leather trim on your shift knob, as well as below here you have your eco mode, your electronic vehicle mode, and your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You have some storage there, as well as in your center console, plenty of space to store everything. that you need. Taking a look at your glove box now, you can see that you can store your manuals in there so that you know everything there is to know about your Camry. You also do have that lock to keep everything nice and safe. And here's just a better look at that dashboard inside, all of the style and function built right into your vehicle. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Camry XLE. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob there and it'll pop open for you. It's a great feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Camry. You also do have your storage underneath here with your tools, your jack, and of course your spare tire. In case anything does happen on the side of the road, you also have a cargo lamp in there, and your Camry comes equipped with these hooks which you can install your cargo net. You have your emergency release from inside. Taking a look below here, you can see that you have your backup camera. You also do have that sweet chrome detailing and that chrome tipped exhaust with your XLE badging, as we take one more look at the back of your Camry Hybrid. Taking one final look at your 2017 Toyota Camry Hybrid XLE. Built right into your Camry is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert as well as your pre-collision system. Plus, you also get your Star Safety system with things like your blind spot monitor to help you ride nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.